Fenugreek, also known as Methi, is one of the oldest medicinal herbs known to humans. In recent years, this humble spice has gained popularity in the United States, especially among those seeking natural remedies for blood sugar, digestion, hair health, and hormonal balance. But many people don't know how powerful fenugreek truly is, and what happens when you start consuming it regularly. In this video from Inner Vitality, we'll explore what happens to your body when you eat fenugreek every day. You'll learn about its science-backed benefits, how to use it correctly, and the possible risks if used the wrong way. Let's explore the truth about this ancient super seed. When you consume fenugreek daily, one of the first effects you may notice is improved digestion. Fenugreek contains soluble fiber that helps soften stools and prevent constipation. It also increases the body's ability to absorb nutrients from food. Many people in the USA suffer from poor gut health due to processed foods, and fenugreek offers a natural way to restore digestive balance. It can also reduce bloating and acidity when taken with warm water on an empty stomach. Another amazing benefit is blood sugar control. Fenugreek seeds contain a compound called 4-hydroxyisoleucine, which increases insulin sensitivity and helps manage blood glucose levels. This makes fenugreek especially useful for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Some clinical studies have shown that regular consumption of fenugreek can lower fasting blood sugar and HbA1c levels significantly. However, people taking diabetes medications must be cautious to avoid blood sugar dropping too low. Fenugreek is also well known for improving women's hormonal health. It helps balance estrogen levels, regulate menstrual cycles, and reduce symptoms of PMS and menopause. Some women report reduced cramps, hot flashes, and mood swings after taking fenugreek regularly. It is even used to boost milk production in breastfeeding mothers, making it a popular choice among new moms looking for natural support. For men, fenugreek can support testosterone levels and boost energy, stamina, and muscle strength. Some studies suggest that fenugreek supplements may help improve libido and performance, which has made it increasingly popular among male fitness enthusiasts in the USA. Fenugreek also helps reduce cholesterol levels, especially LDL or bad cholesterol. It supports heart health by improving circulation and reducing blood pressure slightly. This makes fenugreek useful for adults over 40 who are concerned about heart disease. One of the lesser-known benefits of fenugreek is its positive effect on skin and hair. It has anti-inflammatory and bacterial properties that help clear acne, dandruff, and scalp irritation. Soaking fenugreek seeds overnight and applying the paste to the scalp can strengthen hair roots and promote thicker hair growth. Drinking fenugreek water daily may also support glowing skin and hormonal balance. Fenugreek is also known to aid in weight management. The fiber content helps keep you full for longer, reducing appetite and cravings. This makes it easier to stick to a healthy diet without feeling deprived. When consumed before meals, it can reduce overeating, a common challenge for many people in the modern American lifestyle. But fenugreek is not without risks. It's important to know how to take it properly. First, raw fenugreek seeds are hard to digest and may cause gas or stomach cramps. It's better to soak them overnight or lightly roast them before consuming. Start with a small dose, such as 1 teaspoon per day, and gradually increase based on how your body responds. Second, fenugreek may lower blood sugar too much if combined with diabetes medications. If you already take metformin, insulin, or other glucose-lowering drugs, consult your doctor before using fenugreek supplements. Third, large amounts of fenugreek can cause a maple syrup-like smell in sweat and urine. While not dangerous, some people find it unpleasant. It can also cause mild allergic reactions in sensitive individuals, including rash, nausea, or coughing. Pregnant women should avoid high doses of fenugreek unless under medical supervision, as it may stimulate uterine contractions. While it is helpful for breastfeeding mothers after delivery, it should not be used during pregnancy without expert advice. Some people also complain of dizziness or low blood pressure after taking fenugreek on an empty stomach. If you feel lightheaded, reduce your dosage or take it with food. The best way to consume fenugreek is by soaking 1 teaspoon of seeds in water overnight and drinking it in the morning. You can also powder the seeds and mix it with warm water, milk, or honey. Some people prefer fenugreek tea or capsules. No matter the method, Always start small and stay consistent. In summary, fenugreek is a powerful herbal remedy with ancient roots and modern science backing its benefits. From blood sugar control to better digestion, hormone balance to improved skin and hair, this little seed packs a big punch. But like any powerful herb, it must be used wisely. Don't overdo it, understand your body's needs, listen to how it responds, and if you're ever unsure, talk to your healthcare provider. If this video helped you learn something new, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment sharing your experience with fenugreek, and don't forget to subscribe to Inner Vitality, your trusted source for natural health content designed for the USA lifestyle. Stay strong, stay natural, and protect your inner vitality.